Welcome to in front of me HardReset Lite, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll way down to this to the system and update section. Here you will see the developer options. If the developer options activated, so we will see this section here. And now just click here, and to hide the developer options you should just click once on the switcher, and now as can you see that we just automatically go back here to this menu and the developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how to hide developer options on our HardReset Lite. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.